Next in JavaScript, we are going to do inner HTML property of it. So here we are creating one file and I'm naming it as 6.html. This is our HTML file, and one more file we are creating, that is 6.js. And within this 6.html, this is our emit code. And here within body section, we are giving one paragraph tag to which I'm giving ID equals to demo1. This is the ID I have given to this paragraph. Save it, and here we have to link it with our JS file. Script src equals to name of that file is 6.js. So we have done linking, and in 6.js I'm declaring one variable, two variables in fact. Integer a equals to 16 and let b equals to 63. So we have to declare two variables. These variables are of type integer. We have taken integer value in it. Now document dot get element by id, and here the id we have given to that paragraph is demo. Should be in either in single quotes or in double quotes. So I'm giving demo one within demo. I have given it as in single quotes. It can be in double quotes as well. Dot inner HTML, and here we want to do addition of a and b. So I'm doing a plus b. Save it, and this is our 6.html. We have to open it. It's not showing answer. Here we have taken ID as demo1, so we have to put demo1 here. Save it, and again when we see that file, it is going to display answer is 79. Now one more way we can use this inner HTML, like here I'm creating one more paragraph in body section. So p, and to this paragraph I'm giving ID equals to demo2. ID should be different, and here I'm giving text hello JavaScript, and here after this paragraph tag I'm creating one button type equals to its of type button. We have seen how to create button and CSS. Now on click, whenever we are going to click on this button, document dot get element by ID, and here we are giving ID of this demo2. So here I'm saying demo2. So here I'm putting it in single quotes, and inside single quotes, okay, dot inner HTML equals to, now I want that whatever text is given at demo1 ID should change to, here I'm giving that, here we have given hello JavaScript, and here I'm saying hello JS. And one more single quotes we have to close, and on button we want text to be button. Save it, Now whenever we are going to open, so it has given hello JavaScript. Now whenever we are going to click on this button, it is going to change this whole text to hello JS. Hello JS. So how it is working, what it does, here it has changed this demo to content. Demo to content is here, this PID equals to demo2, and this is the content of demo2, and it has changed its content to hello JS. So what inner HTML do, does it changes, it finds the HTML element with specific ID and changes the element content, or we can say inner HTML, to the given content. So it has changed this content to this content.